Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Planarista 101. Today, we're going to be creating a wellness spread in my planners. So, I'm going to be creating two spreads in two separate planners. One is my meal plan, which is in a planner called Cooking 101. It is for July 22nd through 28th. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time, I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. And thank you for spending time with me. So this spread is going to be made with stickers from Etsy. I have printed a whole bunch of stickers, and I've just been keeping pages and pages of them as I'm doing different things. So today we're going to be using that, and then later on we're going to transition into my wellness planner, which is going to be Celestial Elegance, as I have changed in the second part of year to a dated planner. Actually, the other one was dated. It was just outdated. This one is for 2024. Okay. So I found these stickers that are like impressions of Bridgerton, and I could not help myself. So if you are a Bridgerton fan, welcome to this, which I am kind of obsessed. So I took these stickers with the ball and like the beautiful gardens that they always talk about, taking a stroll in a garden and a promenades and all of that. So I took that and created a spread. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you have watched the third season and whether you're kind of as upset as I am that we're going to have to wait 2 years for another season of this show. I did read all of the books, so that's helping me a little because I kind of sort of know then what's going to happen, but they haven't been sticking to the books, so not really. Anyway, I'm adding all of these florals in here, and yeah, so far so good. Okay, I'm gonna also add more florals to the edges. I want all of them kind of to be surrounded by all of these beautiful florals. And yes, they are kind of clusters, so I'm cutting them in half so they can have edges. But yeah, that's what it's going to be looking like. And now that I'm done with the stickers, I'm gonna go ahead and plan my meals for the week. I use a felt tip pen. I'm just gonna zoom this in for you guys so you can be close and personal with me. But all I'm gonna be doing is basically bagels for breakfast or a toast. Super simple. My salads are usually my lunches, which is also great because it's easy. Or English muffins, like I said, very simple stuff, as I do enjoy stuff like that. Okay, the out stuff is the 24th is my birthday. I do have all of these ideas for different meals that I keep in my planner, and I do change them every so often. So I do enjoy doing it like that. But yeah, so salmon with green beans for dinner, salad for lunch. No big deal. We're going to do another salad for lunch on Tuesday, as I've been enjoying salads really immensely. So like a salad with pork or something like that is amazing. Okay, stir fry, which I love as well. And now we can go to the other side. These pens, they are in my Amazon favorites. They are so amazing. They do not smear at all. So yeah, check them out if you guys are interested. They are a little thicker. They're very black in hue. So if you're looking for a nice pen, that is it. My regular daily pen is the Muji 3.5, but I like my meal to stand out. Okay, so we have a grill on Saturday. I'm going to be grilling for family, and I'm going to be making quite a spread. And then next day, I like to do an omelet, as I have a lot of leftovers and stuff. So yeah, lots of cool stuff. I still need to figure out dinners for Sunday and Thursday, and then we'll go from there. It's kind of hard. Do you guys have the same issue where sometimes you run out of ideas and then you have to kind of refer back and see what it is? Because based on this, I do my shopping. So yeah, so I can do stuffed bell peppers, which are fantastic. Stuffed sweet potatoes are one of our favorite meals. So I just take meat, combine it with veggies, and top the potato with cheese and just put all of that together. It's amazing. Walnut salad is something that I truly, truly love. It's basically a Caesar salad. I add some tomatoes and walnuts, and that is it when it comes to that salad. Okay, let's switch to my wellness, which, like I said, this time of year has switched to Elegant, the Celestial Elegance, and I still want to use the same type of stickers. So I'm gonna put this really, really lovely couple that is dancing, and I'm gonna make like a tea service on the other side for them. I think that's gonna be great. And then flowers all around. And then all I need to do is make some dots with the zig pens and we'll be all done. This spread should be really nice and simple. Okay, so yeah, I'm cutting up all the flowers to make the edges, and that will be pretty much the most of this spread. I'm not going to be doing anything complicated, as I do enjoy the simplicity in these images. And like I said, it is my birthday week and I do enjoy Bridgerton a lot, so I thought that was a perfect compromise in my spreads. Couple more flowers and then we'll be adding my dots. I do like edging lately, so I do like putting all of these flowers in the edges of my pages. I'm not sure if it's like a new obsession or if this is something that's going to stay. As you guys have noticed, I do like my spreads a little bit fuller lately, at least. So, I don't know. I'm gonna add that flower up there and maybe a little something on this side, right by the couple. Okay, and now it's time for my dots. I think a pink, maybe a pink and a blue, maybe just pink, kind of keep with the momentum here. And that will be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're curious about what I'm tracking here, so the top one is breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. The bottom one is whether I took my meds, my movement, my mood, and my sleep. So that is all. Have a great week, everyone, and I can't wait to see you soon for another video. Thanks for watching and have a great week. Bye.